Oh, probably a ton. Well, just in the laundry powder alone, it's over 100 and something pounds just in laundry powder. That's not counting all the liquids we added. Yeah, only aroma and baking soda and cans are left. 10 cents, 15 for powder. Okay. Alright. We got one bag of powder left in, and she sent. Yeah, $15 and I'm sold out. Unless you buy cans. I only have one $15 bag of powder left, or cans, Fran. All my liquids are sold out. We're turning it back to powder to sift next week. Yeah, there's no way we could lift this up. You're gonna have to. Yeah, this is a full body workout, guys. I'll be sore tomorrow. Alright, I'm going to put in her bag of aroma. Yes, it will be uploaded. Just give me a couple days because with it being a longer live, it takes me a little bit to download it. Yep. Yes, friend. Yeah, I've already got a couple videos uploaded. Alright. Thank you, Kate. Hearts in the chat for Kate. We have one more bag left, guys. Hey, Harold, you should tell my mom to get on TikTok. Yeah, I plan to. You sent for 5 cans? Alright, thanks, friend. Did you send to the CA? No, you have one more, friend. You got one more. Do what? That's a lot of cans, bro. Ma'am. Okay, hold on, guys. So much. Yeah, there is still cans available. And a baking soda. No, not really. Yeah, me too, friend. Okay, thanks, friend. I got you. Whoop, that hurt. Whoops. Yep. We're still kicking it. Somebody owes me a crunch wrap. No more liquids going in. We've sold out of liquids. I'm just messing with y'all. This. No, I don't. It's illegal for me to mail cleaning products. Under this rack in here, under my TikTok stash. Apparently, when I was, I have a bad habit, I didn't see it. Alright, there we go. Yeah, this will be turned into recycled, friends. It'll dry, I'll sift it, so in the next week, you'll probably see me sifting it. How many cans wet? I don't know, if we add too much more, I'm gonna have to get a bigger, I'm gonna have to get a tote and transfer some of this. I really don't know, because we put, I think 70 recycled cans, not counting the fresh cans, that I can remember. But yeah, I have 1 bag of baking soda left and cans. You've been triggered. Good luck. I'm probably going to take tomorrow off. Just saying. You know that ain't going to happen. I can't not do that. After not going live tomorrow, I'll be like, we got to go live. I got to do something. I got to sift. I got to do something. No, what I'll probably do is do subscriber only. That way y'all can actually enjoy it. For the super fans or super chat, whatever you want to call it. The VIPs. Yeah, that's what I'm probably going to do. So y'all, the ladies that are subscribed to that, just let me know what y'all want and I'll get it done. We'll make it happen. If you want to add, we can add. I'm sold out of liquids, but I have powder. Girl, make sure you get a good lotion. Make sure you get a good lotion. And make sure anytime you're messing with chemicals, make sure you are wearing gloves. Chemical overexposure is a thing. Just saying.